In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard on ClickUp. Whiteboards in ClickUp give you a flexible canvas to brainstorm, plan, and map ideas alongside your work. We'll walk through getting to the whiteboard, opening it as a view, and then using shapes and arrows to build a quick mind map you can share with your team. First, head to ClickUp. Sign in and open the space, folder, or list where you want your whiteboard to live. Choosing the right location keeps your brainstorming connected to the tasks and docs you're already using, so nothing gets lost in a separate tool. Next, click on View. At the top of your page, you'll see the Views area. This is where you switch between List, Board, Calendar, and more. Use the View controls to add a new view. This is your doorway to Whiteboard and lets you keep everything organized in one place. Now, click on Whiteboard. Select it from the list of view types to create a fresh canvas. You'll land on an open space with a toolbar that includes shapes, connectors, text, and formatting options. If you don't immediately see Whiteboard as an option, your workspace may need the feature enabled, or you might need permission. Check with your admin if that's the case. From here, you can use shapes for a mind map, add arrows, and share the space with your team. Start by choosing a shape like a circle or rectangle and drag it onto the canvas. Double-click to type your main idea. To build branches, add more shapes around it and use arrows or connectors to show relationships. Keep your labels short and clear and use consistent colors so different themes or priorities stand out at a glance. If you need straight lines, hold Shift while drawing. You can zoom in and out to focus on details and pan the canvas to keep your map tidy as it grows. Formatting is simple. Select any shape to change its fill color, border, or text style. Use the text tool for quick notes and align items so the map stays readable. If you make a mistake, undo is your friend, and changes save automatically. To make the space collaborative, open the sharing controls near the top of the whiteboard. Invite teammates and choose whether they can view or edit. Add a brief description so everyone understands the goal of the board, and consider setting naming conventions or color rules before others jump in to keep things organized. And that's it. You headed to ClickUp, clicked on View, opened Whiteboard, and used shapes and arrows to build a mind map you can share with your team. Now it's your turn to start mapping ideas and bringing plans to life.